Have you ever heard of a genius who mastered law, philosophy, and mathematics, and even laid the groundwork for the digital world we live in today? Meet Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a true polymath whose mind shaped our modern era. Born in Leipzig, Germany in 1646, Leibniz was a child prodigy. By the age of 12, he had taught himself Latin and was already delving into advanced philosophical texts. He earned his doctorate in law by 20, but his true passion lay in the abstract worlds of mathematics and philosophy. This insatiable curiosity would lead him to one of history's greatest intellectual breakthroughs. In the late 17th century, a revolutionary new branch of mathematics was emerging: calculus. While Isaac Newton was secretly developing his version in England, Leibniz, thousands of miles away, independently created his own. What made Leibniz's version so powerful was its notation. The integral symbol integral and the d for derivatives like dx, those are all his inventions. This elegant system was so practical and intuitive that it is the one we still use in classrooms and labs all over the world today. This parallel discovery sparked one of the most famous and bitter rivalries in scientific history. Newton and his supporters accused Leibniz of plagiarism, a charge that deeply wounded him and overshadowed his later years. The Royal Society, led by Newton himself, sided with their countrymen. For centuries, the debate raged. Today, historians agree that both men developed calculus independently, each contributing unique insights. Newton provided the geometric foundation, while Leibniz gifted us the powerful, symbolic language to wield it. But Leibniz's genius wasn't confined to calculus. He was a visionary philosopher who famously argued that we live in the best of all possible worlds, a concept that suggests a rational and optimistic universe created by a perfect God. He also made monumental strides in logic. Long before computers existed, Leibniz dreamed of a universal language of reason and, incredibly, developed the binary system of one south and a south. Yes, the fundamental code that powers your smartphone, your laptop, and the entire internet was first formalized by a 17th century philosopher. From the calculus that sends rockets to space to the binary code that connects us globally, Leibniz's legacy is all around us. He was a man who saw the universe as a grand, interconnected system of logic and harmony. As he once said, "The present is pregnant with the future." His ideas were indeed pregnant with the world we now inhabit. He was a thinker who didn't just solve problems. He created the very tools we use to solve them today. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the mind of a true genius. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more stories about the great minds of history, and let me know in the comments which mathematician or philosopher you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.